Hi, I'm Ethan and this is math lesson number 1. Today I'll be going over addition and subtraction. So what is addition? Addition is combining two numbers to add them together. The result of the addition is the sum of the two numbers. Addition consists of two parts, the addends and the sums. The two numbers on the left, 1 and 1, are the addends, and the number on the right, which is the 2, is the sum. In addition, you need to add the two addends together to get the sum. An example problem is what is 8 plus 4? To find the total or the sum, you have to add 8 and 4. One way to solve this is to go 4 spaces forward on a number line. You start off with 8, and then you have to go 4 spaces forward. So you go 1, 2, 3, and 4 spaces to get 12. So the answer to 8 plus 4 is 12. For this problem, you're adding two multi-digit numbers, 15 and 28. To add multi-digit numbers, it is the same as single-digit addition with an extra step. You first must add from right to left. The one spot in 15 is 5, and the one spot in 28 is 8. So you add 5 plus 8, and the answer to that is 13. Since 13 is greater than or equal to 10, you'll put the ones place of 13 to the bottom, and then you'll carry over that 1 in the tens place over to the tens place. So the second step is to add the tens place. Since you have a 1 that you carried over, and a 1 from the 15, and a 2 from the 28, you add all those together, 1 plus 1 plus 2, and you'll get 4. And then you'll drag over the 4 to the sum of the tens place. So the answer will be 43. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking away an amount from one number. The result of subtraction is a difference of the two numbers. Subtraction consists of three parts, the minuend, subtrahend, and the difference. The number the farthest to the left, which is 8, is the minuend, and the number in the middle, which is 5, is the subtrahend. Finally, the number on the furthest to the right is the difference, which is 3. An example problem for subtraction is what is 8 minus 4? For this problem, to find the difference, you have to subtract 4 from 8. One way to solve this is to use the number line, just like with addition, but to instead go 4 spaces backward from 8 instead of forwards. So if you start off on 8 and go backwards 4 spaces, you'll get 4. So the answer to 8 minus 4 is 4. Multi-digit subtraction is the same as multi-digit addition, with an extra step called barring. For this problem, we are subtracting 23 and 15. Once again, you must subtract the rightmost digit, or the ones place. The ones place in 23 is 3, and the ones place in 15 is 5. Since you can't subtract 5 from 3, you borrow from the tens place, or the left number. So you take away 1 from the 2, and that will become a 1, and you can carry over the 1 over to the 3. So now you can subtract 13 and 5 in the ones place, and that will be 8. So 8 will be the answer of the ones place for the sum. Finally, you can subtract the tens place, and since the 2 turned into a 1, it's 1 minus 1, which will equal 0. So the answer to 23 minus 15 is 8. That's it for this lesson, and next lesson we'll be covering multiplication and division.